I'm moving to Tucson, Arizona, and I'm leaving behind my grandpa's old workshop in New York. I'm gonna at least want a picture to remember it by, so I figured I'd make a frame for it. This picture frame is going to be a challenge because we'll be dealing with long, thin sections of concrete. These will be extremely fragile unless we use some reinforcement. Concrete is composed of cement and some sort of aggregate, and you can use all kinds of materials. Sand, rocks, glass, even paper. But there's one material that's crucial to this project. Steel. It's incredibly flexible and can withstand lots of tension. When you incorporate steel rods into concrete, the concrete also acquires those properties. These should help make our picture frame nice and strong. Let's go find out. Okay, doesn't look too bad, right? Well, I forgot to waterproof the mold, so the paper from the foam board ended up sticking to the concrete. Not a fun night. Then I realized I put the steel rods too close to the surface, and they left a bit of a mark. It's also looking just a little too thin. Let's try again. It worked! The surface on this version looks great, and it's crazy strong. Now let's go build this thing for real.